Hey beautiful girls, welcome back to my channel. So today I am unboxing a new subscription box, and this subscription box is called the PoshGurl Boxx. Stay pretty, stay glowy is the logo, and this is priced at rupees 599. Just look at this box. It is so cute, so beautiful. The box is a rose gold box with a very classy finish, and this is a perfect touch to it. I'm so loving this box. Really a good change from all the other boxes. Happy to see this change in the box. So without any delay, let us just go ahead and open this. So all my products are inside here. I am going to go through the products one by one. So the first thing to come out of it is this info leaflet. This mentions the product and the descriptions of it. So I have paid rupees 599 for this box, and I have got products worth more than rupees 1600. So I have received 7 products, and let us see them one by one. The first thing to come out of it is this Monsub 3D hanging ears, face and neck mask. It is the pearl revitalizing mask with the vitamin C essence. I have used this, and this is like a 2-step mask where you first use the mask, and after you remove the mask you use this essence. So I quite like this 3D mask. It's quite nice, quite nourishing. Happy to get this. The next product that I have received is this beautiful animal print belt, and this is how it looks. The quality of the belt is very nice, and belts are very in these days. So yes, happy to get them. The third product that I have received is this huge 212 gram product, which is a natural apricot scrub, and it has 325%. So this is an ageless natural apricot scrub from the brand Swiss and Beauty. Actually, when I first saw it, I thought this is from the St. Ives, I think. Yeah, it was St. Ives. So packaging is very similar to that, but no, this is Swiss and Beauty. So I'll have to try this out and see how this works. The St. Ives one works fabulously well. Honestly, the apricot scrub was my first ever scrub that I used, not this brand but some other brand. The details have been mentioned here. This is priced at rupees 170. So let us just open it and see a little bit of it. So this is going to last me forever. Granules are very fine, and the feel is very smooth, almost like the one I mentioned earlier. So I'm sure this is not going to dry you out. This will be a good product, I guess. On the first use, I'm liking it. The next product that I have received is from Humblebee. It is a lovely lavender face mist. So lavender is very refreshing and stress busting. Good to get this product in this hot months. And this has purified water, lavender oil, basil oil, vitamin E oil, and skin friendly fragrance. It is priced at rupees 399, and it's a 50 ml product. The fragrance is of course of lavender, and this is how the pump is. Let me just spray a little. So the fragrance is nice, like this too. The next product that I have received is this. It's a makeup pouch, and quite a nice one. So it has got a lace detailing over it, a zipper around, and a handle to hold it here. So this is how it looks, and from inside, okay, so my products are in. Let me just get them out. So this is how it looks. It has one more zipper here, so you can place your brushes or other small items here, and it also has a mirror here, so quite convenient. And the makeup container is absolutely handy, quite nice. I quite like this also. So these sort of pouches which have a big opening are always welcome and very travel friendly. Then let's come to the jewelry piece. So this is the huge dangling earring that I have received. It is very beautiful, classical, and is of good quality. Happy to get this too. Then I have received a neon rich color lip gloss. It is supposed to be long lasting, and this is in the shade 32. So I have never used this before. Let me swatch this color for you friends. Looks like a nice nude color. So you can get you get a choice to choose this color. It's a nice coral pink color. Will look good on fair to to medium fair skin. May not suit a dark color skin, but this definitely looks like a nice color, and this is going to settle down into a matte lipstick, and this lipstick is priced at rupees 120. And the last one and the star product is this Hexia 10 color eyeshadow palette. So as you can see, all the colors are metallic here, and this is made in PRC product. That means it is made in China, and this is in the shade 02, and this palette is priced at rupees 299. It has 10 metallic shades, and let us open it, friends. So it looks very pretty and lovely. Okay, so it has got a mirror too here, and these are the shades. Let me try one of them. Which should I try? Let me try. So as you can see, it is a highly pigmented one. Oh yes, it is. So the pigmentation is quite a bit, and it is going to blend well. So this is the best part. I like it when they blend well and you can use them comfortably. So though it's a metallic shade, it does not have that thick glitterish feel. It is very soft, finely milled, and there is no fallout as such. I'm liking this palette actually. Was a little doubtful till I swatched it, but now I think this is going to work well, and glitter is very in these days. So even when you use this as a daily wear, a very subtle look, it will look nice. So I am happy to get this one too. So these were all the products that I received in my The PoshGurl box, and friends, I believe this is quite a good deal. In just around 600 rupees you are getting so many products. Absolutely worth it. The belt is the free gift, so this month everyone is going to receive the free gift. So I am loving this PoshGurl box. I'm sure you would have liked it too, and if you did, please go ahead and order yours. With that, friends, we are at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do share some love. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.